Welcome back to Next Gen Wheels. Today we're diving into the 2025 Nissan Serena, one of the most practical, family-friendly minivans in the market. Nissan has been making the Serena for years, and with the 2025 model, they've blended comfort, technology, and efficiency into one smart package. If you're searching for a family car that balances space and modern features without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. The first thing that stands out about the 2025 Serena is its design. It looks sharper and more refined than its predecessors, carrying Nissan's latest design language with bold lines, a sleek V-motion grille, and a more aerodynamic body. The LED headlights are slim and futuristic, while the overall profile remains tall enough to maximize interior room. The Serena was never about being flashy, but in this version, it definitely brings a more stylish and modern look to the minivan category. Step inside and you'll notice why this van is so popular with families. The Serena offers a spacious cabin with 3 rows of seating that can comfortably fit 7 or 8 passengers depending on the configuration. Sliding doors make entry and exit effortless, especially in tight parking spaces. The seats are designed with comfort in mind, offering good support for long drives. Plus, the flexible layout allows the rear seats to fold or slide, opening up generous cargo space when needed. Technology is another area where Nissan has stepped up its game. The 2025 Serena comes equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Multiple USB ports are scattered throughout the cabin so every passenger can keep their devices charged. Higher trims include features like a premium sound system, navigation, and even rear entertainment screens to keep kids happy during long journeys. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Serena, and Nissan has packed it with advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Some trims also offer Nissan's ProPILOT system, which combines adaptive cruise with steering assist to make highway driving much less stressful. These systems give families peace of mind, knowing the Serena is working to prevent accidents and reduce driver fatigue. Under the hood, the Serena continues to offer practical and efficient engine options. The 2025 lineup includes a hybrid powertrain that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor for improved fuel economy. This e-power system delivers smooth acceleration and quieter performance, perfect for city driving and long-distance trips alike. Fuel efficiency is one of the Serena's strongest selling points, making it an economical choice for families who drive often. Ride comfort is another highlight. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps in uneven roads, while the cabin remains quiet and refined. Even with a full load of passengers, the Serena feels stable and easy to maneuver. It's not meant to be sporty, but it delivers exactly what a family van should: comfort, safety, and reliability. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Nissan Serena starts at around $28,000 for the base trim and can go up to around $40,000 for the higher trims with all the premium features. This price range makes it competitive with other minivans in its segment while offering strong value thanks to its technology and hybrid efficiency. In short, the 2025 Nissan Serena is a smart choice for families who need space, safety, and modern features without sacrificing efficiency. It's not just a van, it's a complete family solution that blends practicality with comfort. If you're in the market for a minivan that delivers on all the essentials and more, the new Serena is worth considering.